Great day, blokes. We are going to discuss about idioms as mentioned in the last slide. What is idioms? An idiom is a word that indicates a different meaning from its literal reference and is used in the colloquial conversation. Let us get into certain examples to have a better acquaintance of these idioms. The first idiom, how does it grab you? We use this expression to ask if someone is interested in something or to ask their opinion of something. Let's get into some example. First one, I'm bored. What shall we do? Why don't we go canoeing? How does it grab you? Great idea. We haven't done that for ages. One more example for you guys. I want to go to the beach. How does it grab you? Sounds like fun. When shall we go? Then the next idiom is I was miles away. We use this expression to say that we were thinking about something else. Let's get into some example. Were you listening when the teacher explained the homework? Not really. I was miles away. The next one. Give it a rest. We use this expression to tell someone to stop talking about something. The example is Rita's parents gave her a laptop and they gave her an MP3 player. Give it a rest about Rita, will you? I don't want to hear about her anymore. The next idiom is I wouldn't say no. We use this expression to say that we do or we would accept something. Example, do you fancy coming with us tonight? We are going clubbing with friends. I wouldn't say no. Sounds great. Great. See you at 10 then. Then the last idiom, that is, I wouldn't count on it. We use this expression when we think that something is unlikely to happen. The example is, do you think many people will go to Sita's barbecue tomorrow? I wouldn't count on it. I reckon it's gonna rain. Alright, guys, I will meet you in the upcoming videos with the different versions. Thank you very much.